everyone, I got a joy. Glad you dropped in. Today we're going to pickle some eggs. Now this is not the beet eggs. This is regular vinegar, salt, turmeric, not turmeric for me, I don't like it, and maybe a little cayenne. It's one of those little easy things. I looked it up. I went to different sites to make sure they're all, and basically they're all the same. I don't have garlic today, but I'll put it in after a while. It's 4 cups of vinegar, a cup of water, a half cup of salt, a half teaspoon of chili powder, and pickling spice. But these have to stay in the refrigerator about a week. But for the best results, it's 2 weeks. And after they're ready, you can use them as snacks, egg salad, put them on sandwiches. You may even make deviled eggs out of them. It's just a different taste. But I'm anxious to do it, and I know my son is. I'm only going to make one today. And I'm putting them in this jar. I have boiled and cold 15 eggs. The 4 cups of vinegar and the cup of water, I did not bring to a boil. I just got it real hot, but I've let it cool down for about 5 minutes. And guess what? No sugar. So I just got through washing my hands, so they're perfectly clean. And actually, you can put several things in here. I'm going to put a little bit of onion in the bottom. You can put things that you want to make it look pretty. I'm actually going to put some carrots and start filling. Yeah, they're good and cool. My son loves pickled eggs. It's just something I always love. I love the purple eggs, so I have to probably like these. Another layer, more onions, some more carrots, eggs, you know, wouldn't this be, I think they'd be good for pickled eggs. You got pickled eggs. So I'm going to try my own that too. If they're good, then I'll get a bigger bowl, a bigger jar next time. I've got one great big jar. It's a gallon. I think this one's 52 ounces. Rest their carrots. Oops. Now it says not to use don't use regular table salt that has iodine in it, the iodized salt. So it does suggest using this pink salt. So it's 3 tablespoons. Now it's half cup. I'll keep it a little bit back. And a half teaspoon of pickling spice. Okay. And half a teaspoon of red. You can either put cayenne pepper or the crushed red pepper, and I think I'm going to go for the crushed red pepper. Because it's not that much, it's just a half teaspoon. A little bit more than that. Just to give you a little heat, I guess. But you can also put the cayenne pepper in if you want to. If you have, if you're one of those people that really do like hot stuff, I think it would be good. Well, I did 15, so mine's going to go with 13, I guess. No, and I'm not superstitious. Okay, now I'm going to fill it up. The vinegar and water have cooled down. And it's not going to take long. That's fine. We'll do something else after a while. So, we are now in the process of pickling onions. I'm going to put mine in the top shelf in the back and just forget about them. It's going to be hard, but I'm going to forget about them. But I am going to go ahead today and add 2 cloves of garlic when I get back. My garlic just goes bad so quickly anymore. I guess it's old. It's probably time for the new to come in. Well, this is something new. It'll be 2 weeks before we can try it, but I think it'll be fun to wait. I started it 4 weeks ago, and we went on vacation. I was going to actually take it on vacation with me, but it has been 4 weeks now because I forgot it. And so you can eat them at 2 weeks, but 4 weeks I think is so much better. I love pickled eggs. It's one of my guilty pleasures, I think. See? And look how it's still firm. Now, excuse me, you can make pickled egg. This is awfully good, and it's well pickled too. You can make deviled eggs out of it. You can make egg salad out of it, or just like this. And to me, this is the best way. So I hope you'll try it. And you can eat them at 2 weeks before, but this is 4, and it's perfect. Go pickle some eggs today. It's Gaga Joy saying goodbye. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. And I'll see you soon.